The Kiwi Ears Spark Open Wireless Stereo Headphones promise a unique open-back wireless experience, combining spatial audio, ergonomic design, and a lightweight build. Marketed as open wearable stereo, they target users who want natural sound without ear canal fatigue. But do they deliver? In this review, we'll unbox them, test their sound quality, evaluate comfort, and see how they stack up against competitors. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. The Spark arrives in a sleek, minimalist box with the earpieces neatly nestled inside a protective case. Opening it up, you'll find a USB-C charging cable, a soft carrying pouch, and a quick start guide. The earpieces boast a futuristic design featuring a matte beige finish and subtle gold accents with understated branding. Weighing just 9 grams each, they feel remarkably light, and the open-ear hooks promise a secure yet breathable fit. The case itself exudes a premium feel thanks to its textured metallic cover and sturdy 101-gram weight, a detail I particularly appreciate. Altogether, the unboxing experience delivers a sense of quality that exceeds expectations for the price. Let's start with its design and comfort. The Earbuds is meticulously designed for those who lead an active lifestyle, combining an open, ergonomic fit with all-day comfort. Whether you're running, cycling, or hitting the gym, these earphones provide a secure and lightweight feel, ensuring they stay in place no matter how intense your workout gets. Featuring an advanced open wearable structure or OWS, the Spark earphones deliver exceptional stability during even the most vigorous movements, while allowing for optimal airflow to keep your ears comfortable. The innovative design eliminates the pressure and fatigue often associated with traditional earbuds, offering a natural, barely there feel. With a snug, yet breathable fit, you can immerse yourself in crystal clear music and seamless calls without constant adjustments or discomfort, so you stay focused on your performance. Overall design, I absolutely love it. Moreover, with its sound quality, the Kiwi Ears Spark delivers a truly captivating wireless listening experience, combining balanced audio with deep, resonant bass that enhances every genre of music. Thanks to a 2DP or advanced audio distribution profile support, these earphones reproduce your favorite tracks with impressive clarity and dynamic range, ensuring no detail goes unnoticed. Whether you're powering through a workout or relaxing during your commute, the Spark provides rich, well-defined sound that brings your music to life. At the heart of this performance are the 16.2mm dynamic drivers, which create a spacious and airy soundstage with crystal clear highs, natural mids, and surprisingly punchy bass. Remarkable for an open-fit design, the earphones support AAC, SBC, and the PTX codecs, unlocking high-resolution wireless audio potential for an even more refined listening experience. Personally, I've been thoroughly impressed by the audio quality. Every song feels vibrant and full-bodied, making it easy to get lost in the music. Adding to the convenience is Bluetooth 5.2, which ensures a fast, stable connection with extended range, so you can move freely without worrying about dropouts or lag. Whether you're streaming high-energy playlists or immersive podcasts, the Spark consistently delivers a premium audio experience that keeps up with your lifestyle. Additionally, the microphone quality. The Kiwi Ears Spark ensures crystal clear voice calls with its dual ear call support and advanced environmental noise cancellation or ENC technology. Whether you're taking a call outdoors, in a crowded cafe, or during your workout, the built-in single microphone ENC system actively suppresses background noise such as wind, traffic, or chatter, so your voice comes through naturally and intelligibly. This allows you to focus on conversations without distractions, making the Spark ideal for both personal and professional use. At the heart of its call performance is a high-sensitivity silicone microphone designed with omnidirectional directivity to accurately capture your voice from any angle. With a signal-to-noise ratio of 62 decibels, the earphones effectively filter out unwanted ambient sounds while enhancing speech clarity. The result is a smooth, uninterrupted calling experience, even in noisy surroundings. Now, let's put it in action and see how it performs.
Hello, mic test. So, guys, this is the microphone test of Kiwi Ears Spark. I'm here again in the balcony, so there's some fresh air here. None of my building there's are cars and also some background noises. So guys, what do you think of the microphone of the Kiwi Ears Spark? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.
The combination of ANC and precision microphone tuning ensures that every conversation remains sharp, balanced, and free from disruptive background interference. The battery performance offers dependable endurance without being exceptional, delivering 7 hours of continuous playback on a single charge. This extends to a practical total of 25 hours when combined with the charging case's additional 18-hour reserve. For those moments when you're in a hurry, the quick charge feature proves particularly useful. Just 10 minutes of charging provides about an hour of listening time. The touch-sensitive controls perform consistently well for managing music playback, adjusting volume, and handling calls, though users looking for personalized button configurations might be disappointed by the absence of a companion app for customization. Durability is well considered with an IP45 rating that provides reliable protection against dust intrusion and sweat exposure, making these earphones a trustworthy choice for active users and workout sessions. While the omission of wireless charging and multi-device pairing capabilities might seem like shortcomings in today's market, these compromises are reasonable when considering the product's accessible price point. The overall package strikes a sensible balance between essential features and cost-effectiveness, delivering solid functionality for everyday use without venturing into premium territory. Now, here is final verdict. The Kiwi Ears Spark is a niche but compelling option for those who prioritize comfort, situational awareness, and soundstage over noise isolation and heavy bass. Runners, office workers, and open-back enthusiasts will appreciate their breathable design and natural tuning. Sound quality are great with decent bass, and microphone for calls are good too with ANC. At $99, they're a fair value, though the lack of high-end codecs and ANC may deter some. But right now, if you're interested, they're even sweeter on sale. Grab them before the deal runs out. I'll put the link in the description below. If you're looking for affordability open wireless stereo headphones without compromise, these are an easy recommendation. Alright, that's it for today's review of the Kiwi Ears Sparks headphone. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out!